Hey guys, today we are gonna see how to install Node MCU Board Manager. First, we need to go to the web browser, then search ESP8266 Board Manager. Then we need to go to the website and copy a link. Scroll down. Then you will find a link. Link is also posted in the description. Copy the link and go to Arduino IDE. Now, in the top left, go to File, then Preferences. After that, click the next thing in the right side to the additional Board Manager URLs. And paste the URL that we copied earlier. Now click Save and the URL will be inserted. You can see the downloading of it in the right bottom. Now go to the Board Manager and type ESP8266. Select the latest version and click Install. Wait for some time for the boards to be installed. You can see it installing in the bottom right. Now we have successfully installed Board Manager. After installation, go to Tools, Boards, then select ESP8266 and you will see all the boards. If this video helped you, please like, share and comment.